Rajesh Biology and I'm Rajesh MSc Zoology. So the today topic is principles of inheritance and variation from the botany and few questions related to the zoology also. So before starting the session, let me check is our session is just started or not and is my voice is clear or not first. Yes, the session is also started. Voice is also clear. Yeah, Gnaneshwari, welcome. Yeah, you are absent yesterday. నువ్వు లేని లోటు తీర్చలేనిది నిన్న నేను యాక్చువల్లీ వెయిట్ చేశాను జ్ఞానేశ్వరి ఐ వాస్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ యూ ఎస్టర్డే ఐ థాట్ ద ఫస్ట్ అండ్ లాస్ట్ యూ విల్ స్టే ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్ టు ద లాస్ట్ లైక్ దట్ now come to the first slide. We have a app Rajesh Biology. It is available in Google Play Store, and in this so many free courses, free tests, free study materials are available, and some paid courses and paid tests are also available. The students who can affordable and the students who want to write the very best tests, they can pay the money and they can write that paid test. But for the remaining students, free tests are also available, which are very valuable. Yeah, good evening Praveen and good evening Ganeshwari. So without any late, let's dive into the session with the first question. Here it is. A single heterozygous yellow wrinkled seeded pea plant shall produce gametes with the genetic constitution. A single heterozygous yellow wrinkled. Heterozygous yellow means like this. Wrinkled means like this. Pea plant shall produce gametes with the genetic constitution. Which type of gametes are produced? So same, or it is two types, capital Y, small y. So capital Y with the smaller, small y with the smaller. The answer is what? Right answer is 3. Wrinkled, they ask. Not the capital, it is the smaller. Yes, Jnaneshwari, it is 3 answer, not the 4. Come to the second one. Yeah, Praveen, right. Come to the second question. In a monohybrid cross, the ratio of F2 true breeding dominant and true breeding recessive would be. In a monohybrid cross, the F2 true breeding dominant means this one, and true breeding recessive, this one. What is the ratio between these two? The second question. Just one person downloaded our app, Chinna B. Yeah, thank you, Chinna B. Made city Chinnabbai maybe. Chinna B it is. Thank you so much for the Chinna. Now come to here the question number 2. The right answer is what? You know it is not 3 is to 1 Gnaneshwar, it is 1 is to 1. Okay, in F2 generation, it look like this. Capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t. They ask the ratio between the capital T, small t, small t. Here it is 1, it is also 1. Okay, yeah, 2 right. Very good, Gnaneshwari and Praveen. And the next question, third question. The third question. Chinnu, welcome. Praveen, right? Third one. Third one, it is not 1. Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties as pairs. 14 true breeding varieties as pairs. And which were similar except one character with contrasting traits. So second option is right answer. 3 2. It is a direct line from the NCRT. Chandrika and Praveen, you can observe this. Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties as pairs. Yes, correct, Chinnu. Very good. Come to the fourth question. The cranium of human contains, actually it is from the zoology question. As per our state syllabus, it is from the zoology question. In our state, this principles of inheritance subject dealt by the botany lecturers, right? Come to the fourth question. Cranium of human contains, zoology question. Who are going to give the answer for this? Yeah, hi Rupa Mahesh. Welcome Rupa Mahesh. Thank you for downloading the app. Yeah, eighth question. Cranium of human. Sorry, fourth question. Nobody gives the answer. Okay, it is 8 bones. 8 bones cranium and 14 bones face. Together 22 bones are there. Yeah, Gnaneshwari. After I give the answer, you select that. Next, come to the fifth question. In the chemistry of vision in mammals, the photosensitive substance is called. It is also from the zoology. The structure of the retina. In that, if you observe, the rhodopsin, which are present in the rods, retinol. It is also called retinin, a aldehyde group of the vitamin A, along with the opsin, together called rhodopsin. Okay, so the right answer is 1 for the fifth one. Chandrika, right? Next, sixth question. Red flowered plant of mirabilis is crossed with the white flowered plant of mirabilis. All the R, that means the heterozygous offsprings are pink. This is an indication that the capital R gene is. It is a very easy question. 6-3, very good Chinnu, right? It is incompletely dominant. Very good Gnaneshwari. Seventh question. Out of a population of 800 individuals in F2 generation of a cross between yellow round and green wrinkled pea plants, what would be the number of yellow wrinkled seeds? What would be the number of yellow wrinkled seeds? Can you guess it is? Yellow wrinkled. Seventh question. You can simply calculate this. Yellow round 9 and yellow wrinkled 3 and green wrinkled 3. Sorry, green not green round 3 and green wrinkled 1. They are asking about these 3. Okay. If it is together 16, 16 is equal to 800. Okay. No, it is not 200, Praveen. 800 by 16 if we calculate, it gives how much? 50. 50 into 3, 150. The right answer is 4. Seventh, 4 option is the right answer. Clear? Now come to the eighth question. An individual with the capital A small a, capital B small b genotype is producing 4 types of gametes like this. And if the frequency of these gametes is 25% each, then it explains what? New app download again now. Rajesh Kumar. My name only is Rajesh. Thank you, Rajesh Kumar, for downloading the app, Rajesh Biology. Yes, eighth question. It is not complete linkage, Chandrika. It is independent assortment. It is what? Independent assortment. No, how it is complete linkage? There is no linkage actually. If for everything there is a 20% chance, that means independently assortment. It is. Come to the ninth question. It is a Mendel principle, right? Mendel principle, third principle, independent assortment. That means the round and yellow wrinkled and green, they are present in the parental characters. But in the F2 generation, round and green, round and yellow, wrinkled and green. Along with the parental characters, non-parental characters also have the chance. This is independent assortment. Come to the ninth question. Chandrika says 3. Morgan coined the term recombination to describe the linkage of two genes. No, it is the generation of non-parental gene combinations. Ninth one, fourth option is the right answer. Morgan, the term coined recombination means what? Which is a non-parental combination. Yeah, Ganeshwari, right? Now come to the 10th question. In 4 o'clock plant, 4 o'clock means this evening rose or mirabilis jalapa. 4 o'clock plants, the gene for red flower color is incompletely dominant over the gene for white flower color. Hence, the plant's heterozygous for flower color pink in heterozygous condition. What will be the ratio of offspring in a cross between red flowers and pink flowers? Pink flowers and red flowers. Red, red, pink, pink. So 50% red, 50% pink. White is not formed. 10th one is not for Ganeshwari. It is 50% red flowers and 50% pink flowers. Very good, Chandrika. Come to the 11th question. 10 3 perfect. Mendel's law of independent assortment does not hold true for the genes that are located closely on. Sahana. Yeah, Sahana, good evening. Welcome. 11th question. Mendel's law of independent assortment does not hold true for genes that are located closely on, which are linked together. So, on the same chromosome. On the same chromosome, if the genes are located very closely, this is called linkage. And the Mendel independent assortment is not hold true for this type of closely linked ones. Correct, Jnaneshwari. Come to the next question, 12th question. And in our app Rajesh Biology, you can find all these materials. CBSE scheme of valuation for the next year, and already the exam which is over in the Karnataka for that answers, NCRT MCQs chapter wise. Okay, and YouTube practice test means there's a practice test 1, 2, 3, like that. I'm going to upload all these tests which I conduct in the YouTube. And golden paragraphs means 2022 NEET examination is there, right? In the 2022 NEET examination questions, and that question is come from which paragraph of the NCRT textbook. That golden paragraphs are also there in our app Rajesh Biology. You can find these golden paragraphs. Yeah, Chinnu, Telegram is not opening. I also find that thing. Today at any time I'm going to get clarity about this Telegram. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to let you know to join in that. Yes, the technical issues are there as like copyright. This is the first time observing this type of copyright is arises. Still, I don't know why it is arises. After completion of this live, 9 o'clock, I'll conduct another one live session, 9 to 10. Another one live session. Of course, it is not 1 hour live session. It is related to how to prepare the biology NCRT in 30 days. One student asked me in yesterday's session or day before yesterday, I think Unbeatable Insane. He's the student with the account name. He asked me, so for him and for the remaining students also to complete NCRT within 30 days and how to prepare in this last 30 days for the NEET examination. I'm going to conduct another live session at 9 o'clock. Okay, so today maybe it is not possible. Tomorrow I'll check the Telegram. Come to the 12th question. Yeah, thank you, Chinu. 12th question. When a cross is made between a tall plant with yellow seeds and a tall plant with green seeds, What is true regarding the proportions of phenotypes of the offsprings in F1 generation? The 12th one is, yeah, unbeatable insane. Are you there? Okay. 12th question. Proportion of tall and green. Proportion of dwarf and green. It is actually the 12 is to 1, 3 is to 1, 12 is to 4. Okay. The right answer is option 1. If you observe this, two types of seeds are formed like this. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll show the cross. It is better. The question number is what? 12th question. 12th question means here only it is there. Here. So tall and yellow, tall and green, dwarf and yellow, dwarf and green. It is the correct answer is answer 1. I'll provide these answers also for you. Okay. 12th one. Come to the 13th. The solutions also I'll add to this slide, and I'll provide this slide along with the solutions tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, when I have the free time, I'll add the solutions for this. Come to the 13th question. A tall true breeding garden pea plant is crossed with a dwarf true breeding garden pea plant when the F1 plants were selfed. The resulting genotypes were in the ratio of, it is just about the normal monohybrid cross. 13th monohybrid cross is what? Tall homozygous, tall heterozygous, and 12. Perfect, very good, Chandrika. Come to the 14th question. A pink snapdragon flower is crossed to a white snapdragon flower. That means test cross. What is the probability of getting red snapdragon? If the cross is like this, smaller, smaller. Yes, half you are saying for the 14th question. Who said the right answer? The students who give the right answer for the 14th question, they are very perfect in the crosses. I can guess like that. The proportion of the red color flowers. How many are red color flowers? No change, half. Ganesh also says half. No. Chinnu says 1 by 4th. Actually, there is no possibility of red color flowers, none of these. Because if R is crossed with the small r, that becomes pink. Okay, if we want red color, both R should be the capital R, capital R. Clear? Now come to the 15th question. In our app, tests are there. This type of challenging tests are very precious, and all these precious tests, 70 plus tests, are available only for the 100 rupees. That means less than 2 rupees for each test. You can attempt and you can experience a great experience from this online test. In this 2022 NEET examination paper is there, 2023 guessing NEET examination paper is there from all the 4 subjects. Along with that, so many grand tests and weekend tests, daily tests, different types of subject wise tests are there. Come to the here, the short term course is available. In this I covered 6 subjects, 6 chapters: animal tissues, animal kingdom, and earthworm, human reproduction, reproductive health, and genetics. Okay, up to the Morgan experiments I covered. Come to the 15th question. Yes, the right answer is 2, given by the Gnaneshwari first. Very good. The glutamic acid is replaced by the valine at the 6th position of beta chain. 16th question. Which of the following can never result in a recessive phenotype? Can never result in a recessive phenotype. It is also very easy. Simply you can guess the answer. It is not so difficult and nobody gives the answer. Okay. If all are capital here, there is no chance of the 16-3. Very good, Chinnu. Yeah, Chandrika, very good. Come to the 17th question. Mendel's law of independent assortment can be violated by. Mendel's independent assortment can be violated by. It is also very easy question. Unbeatable instances, incomplete dominance. No. In incomplete dominance, it is not going to violate the independent assortment. It may violate the law of dominance, but the question is independent assortment law should be violated. And incomplete dominance is related to the monohybrid cross. Independent assortment is related to the dihybrid cross. So over dominance, some person says like no, nobody gives the right answer. Okay, I'm revealing it is the linkage. The genes which are closely linked on the same chromosome, they are not going to form recombinations. Recombinations are not possible. Yes, Rupa Mahesh, very good. Come to the 18th question. Balbiani rings are actually Balbiani rings are related to the botany polytene chromosomes, right? This type of diagram is there. Here it is the Balbiani rings which are actively participated in the transcriptions. Okay, that is 18th question is uncoiling of chromonemata. It has uncoiling of chromonemata. Very good, Chinnu. Perfect. Come to the next question, 19th question. If you observe here, I'm going to show you the video of how to attempt the online free test. Okay, at the left upper corner there is a three bars. If you click on that, a side menu will open. In that, the fourth option is the free test. In that, 20 plus tests are available. You can click on any one test and you can select your favorite test. In that, one question and four options are there. At any time, if you have any doubt to attempt that question, you can click on that view button, review button, and when you are submitting, it will show you how many questions you select for the review, how many questions you left, how many questions you answered, and everything, how much time is remaining also. Okay, and then if you submit after checking all the questions, it will give you the immediate score and your rank also and the solutions for the questions. Now come to the 19th question. The right answer is Klinefelter syndrome. Very good. Who says? Nobody give the answer for this. Down syndrome not. Bar body, bar body means extra X chromosome converted into the bar body. Extra X chromosome converted into bar body. If one person has, if that baby has, how many? Who is a amniocentesis find extra bar body in her embryo. The syndrome which is likely to be associated with embryo is Klinefelter syndrome. 19.3. Very good, Chinnu and Chandrika, right? Screen is not clear. Rupa Mahesh, yes, right, very good. Maybe my head is overlapped that. Come to this question, 20th question. Chinnu or the remaining students, if you face any difficulty at the clarity issue, please click on your screen. On right upper corner, there is a setting symbol. Click on that. Go to the quality, advanced. In that, you can select 480 or more than 480 pixels. Then it becomes a suitable clarity. Come to the 20th question. An individual affected by phenylketonuria lacks an enzyme that converts the amino acid dash into the dash. Phenylalanine into tyrosine. Very easy, Chandrika. Super. Thank you. Come to the 21st question. Hair lip. Hair means cleft lip. Okay. Produced due to the trisomy of 21st chromosome. Very good, Chandrika. Superb. 21st. Trisomy 21, no? Let me check it is because Patot syndrome is there. Patot syndrome. That is also the cleft palate is one thing. Let me check. 21st question. Individuals with trisomy 13 hair lip left. A person has extra chromosome 13. The option A is correct. But cleft palate we can observe in the Down syndrome. 21 chromosome also. We will check it later. Yes, 13th chromosome Patau. Here also you can observe the cleft palate, cleft lip. Yeah, here it is the cleft palate. 21 is cleft palate. So 13th is the cleft lip. Perfect. Yes, I just remember 21 is 3. 22 question. Calculate the number of bar bodies in a female having the genotype 22 autosomes. And the here the chromosomes. How many X chromosomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. For every female, only one X chromosome is functional. More than the one, how many are there? Every X chromosome is converted into the bar body. So we have to leave that N. So the formula is N minus 1. N means number of X chromosomes. Number of X chromosomes 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. It is the bar bodies number. Number of bar bodies. Clear, Chandrika? Yeah, 13th chromosome, Janeshwari, right? Because in AP Telangana textbooks, they mention the Patel syndrome, 13th chromosome, trisomy, but it is not there in the NCRT. That's why I also confused. 22nd, clear? So the right answer is 3. Come to the 23. Yes, thank you. Come to the 23. Pure line is connected with the development of. Pure line is connected with the development of. Yes, Rup Mahesh, correct? Development of homozygosity. It is not a self-assortment. It is only the homozygosity. Come to the 24th. Two genetic loci produce identical phenotypes in cis as well as transposition. They are. I think it is related to this lac operon concept. The students who are prepared in botany lac operon concept, they can easily answer this. The two genetic loci produce identical phenotypes in cis as well as in transposition also. Two genetic loci on the same chromosome produce identical phenotypes. They are called. Yeah, very good, Rupa Mahesh and Ganeshwari and Chinnu, very good. That is actually the pseudo alleles. No, nobody says that 24th give the answer. Multiple alleles wrong. It is pseudo alleles. Yes, Chandrika, right? Come to the 25th question. F2 ratio in a chicken came out to be 9. F2 ratio in chicken came out to be 9 rows comb blacks, one single comb white, 9 rows comb blacks and one single comb white, and 3 rows comb whites and 3 single comb blacks. Which are the recessive? 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Okay. So here single comb white is a recessive, right? Single comb white. 25 1 is right answer. White. Next come to the 26th. No, it is not a single comb black. Single comb and white both are the recessive. Very good, Chinnu. Come to this 26th question. The phenomenon of exchange of segments between the non-sister chromatids or the maternal chromosome is called. What it is called? Between the non-sister chromatids, they are going to exchange the matter. This is called crossing over. Perfect, Chinnu. Come to the 27th question. Out of 8 Ascospores formed in neurospora. The arrangement of 2A, 4A, and 2A. 2A is to 4A is to 2A showing. 27th question. Yes, correct. Crossing over, that is. Out of 8 ascospores formed in neurospora, the arrangement is like this. It is a second generation division. Correct? 27.3. No, it is not first generation division, it is the second generation division. Now come to the 28. An individual with the CD genes was crossed with the wild type plus plus. On test crossing F1, the progeny was plus C 105 plus D 115 and CD 880 and plus plus 900. Distance between the CD genes. CD is crossed with a wild type W plus plus. CD crossed with wild type W plus plus. String of F1. Okay, for this I'll take that explanation if it is clear, okay, or otherwise I'll give the clarity in the next session because it takes some time to give the explanation for that and we don't have the much time because after 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock I'm going to take another session, right? Come to the 28th question. The distance between the CD and genes, recombinants by total individuals into 100. Recombinants by total individuals into 100. How many are recombinants? It is recombinant. It is also recombinant. Recombinance is 115, 2 and 230. Total number of recombinants by the 1000 into 100 by total individuals are 1000. 2000, not 1000, it is 2000. So let me check the formula. 220 by 2000, 22 by 2, that is the 11 answer. So 105 plus 115 is equal to 220. It is the total number of recombinants. The total number of individuals are 105 plus 115 plus 880 plus 900, together 2000. Total number of recombinants is 220 by the total number of individuals is equal to 2000 into 100. So 22 by 2, that is equal to 11. The right answer is 11, 28, 1. Come to the 29th. What are the true cases of honeybee? 29th. The right answer is 4. Male haploid and female diploid. Very good. 29th 4. Come to the 30th question. XY sex chromosomes were discovered by the X and Y, the chromosomes. These are discovered by the Stevens, Nettie Stevens. And 31st question. Cystic fibrosis is caused by the, it is cystic fibrosis is also a recessive autosomal allele. Recessive autosomal allele. Next question. Hemophilic man marries a carrier woman. Percentage of daughters become hemophilic shall be. Hemophilic man is a X-linked recessive character. So here it is like this. And he marries a carrier woman. That carrier woman is like this. Okay. the percentage of daughters become hemophilic is there is a 50% chances. Okay, so the right answer is what? 32 2. No, it is not 0%, it is 2%. Very good, Jnaneshwari. Come to the 33 question. Correct, Chandrika. In a neurospora, both recessive and dominant alleles express their effect because the organism contains only one allele for a gene. For gene, only one allele is there. No, it is not sons. Sons are also affected, Chinnu. They ask the carrier woman, the marriage between the affected man and the carrier woman. If it is affected man and normal woman, you can say like that nobody is affected in the F1 generation, but in F2 generation they are going to affect one child, male child. Come to the 34th question. The gene of hemophilia is located on the X chromosome. Hence, it is normally impossible for a. Is there any chance to transmit this to her to his son? Hemophilic father to pass the gene to his daughter. It is possible. Carrier mother to pass the gene to her daughter. Possible. Carrier mother to pass the gene to her son. Possible. But hemophilic father to pass the gene to his son is impossible because it is X-linked, and from the father, son always receives the Y chromosome. X of the father enter into the daughter only. Yes, perfect, Jnaneshwari. Come to the right, this 35th question. Test cross is a cross between. It is easy question. I think you can simply solve this. 37th question. Monohybrid cross involves 35 2, right? Hybrid and recessive parent. 36. Individuals of two different parents. Individuals different in one trait. This is right. Individuals different in one trait. 37th question. In case of incomplete dominance, F2 generation has genotypic ratio equals to the phenotypic ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1. Both genotypic and phenotypic ratios are 1 is to 2 is to 1. Come to the 38th question. In sickle cell anemia, there is change in amino acid in beta chain at position with which position? Yes, 37 correct. 1 correct. Chinnu and Jnaneshwari. 38th. In sickle cell anemia, there is a change in amino acid in beta chain at which position? At sixth position. Very good. 39th. Who among us the following scientists rediscovered the Mendel work? T.H. Morgan, William Bateson, E. Strasburger, and von Schermach. Yes, codon, sixth codon, right, Chinnu? Come to the 39th question. T.H. Morgan, no. Von Schermach, not T.H. Morgan. Next, 40th question. Hugo de Vries, von Schermach, these are the scientists who rediscover the Mendel laws. 40th question. A sex-linked trait disease is. Yes, correct, Jnaneshwari. Color blindness and hemophilia, these are the X-linked recessive disorders. 41 question. Yes, Chandrika, correct. 39.4. 41. On which chromosome are the genes for color blindness linked traits located? Color blindness. It is also very easy question. 41 2 Y chromosome. Jnaneshwari wrong. Color blindness is related to the X linked. 41 1. Yes, Carl Correns, Von Sherlock, and Hugo De Vries. These are the three scientists. Very good, Chinnu. Perfect. Come to the 42. Yes, 41 completed. 42. Mendel did not account for. Mendel did not account for pleiotropy, quantitative inheritance, blending inheritance, or all the above. He don't know anything of these three. Pleiotropy, he don't know like one gene is going to control the more than one traits like that. Yes, correct. Four, right, Chandrika. Come to the 43. Which one can induce polyploidy? Polyploidy is induced. It is actually from the botany question. Which induces the polyploidy? 43. The right answer is colchicine. Yes, Chandrika, very good. Both extranuclear as well as nuclear materials are involved in transmission of heredity information as that is mitochondria and plastids are having DNA. Both extracellular as well as nuclear materials are involved in transmission of heredity information is yes, Chinnu, right? Come to the 45. Women rarely experience X-linked defects because they must be carriers. Very good, Naneshwari. Which of the following will be color blind? And all they give are the small c's. It is a small c, it is a small c, it is a small c. 46th question. Chini, you are saying third one is a colorblind woman. No, that is wrong. 46 2. Gnaneshwari, right. They are colorblind. It is carrier. 47th question. 46 2. It is not 3, Chandrika. Yes. 47th question. Bateson used the terms coupling and repulsion for the linkage and crossing over. Name the correct parental or coupling type along with its crossover or repulsion. 47th question. Coupling means this. All homozygous, dominant all homozygous resu, it is the coupling. Repulsion means one trait is dominant, another one is a resu like this. So the right answer is 47 4. Jnaneshwari, right? 48th question. Mendel was successful in his hybridization. Gordon P provided ideal experimental material. Yes, both are correct, and it is the correct explanation also because Gordon P provided the ideal material, that's why he succeeded. So 48 and the correct explanation also. Yes, correct, Chandrika. Come to the 49th. The progeny produced have both the characters of parents. The process by which the characters pass from parent to the progeny is known as inheritance. That is correct, assertion. The progeny produced have both the characters of parents. Reason also correct. The process by which characters pass from parents to the progeny is known as inheritance. But it is not the correct explanation. 49.2. The last but not least, the most important question according to our YouTube tradition, the students who are giving the answer for the question number 50, whether it is the right or wrong, you will definitely get the good marks. Assertion. Gametes receives only one allele for a gene. Reason: during gamete formation, mitosis takes place, leads to formation of haploid cells. Who are giving the answers? After 1 hour, we will meet with a new session. In that, I'm going to tell you the tips and techniques for the preparation in these 30 days. We have 30 days only, actually 31 days, 1 day is already over. So in these 30 days, what are the topics we have to focus and how to prepare for the NEET examination, how to cover the entire NCRT within 30 days. This is I'm going to tell you in my point of view. Okay, the students who are interested, they can attend for that session. The session will start at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. Okay, in this 9 p.m., I'm going to motivate you to prepare for a NEET examination in these 30 days. Don't waste your time. After completion of this that session, you will know how to manage the time also. Come to the 50th question. Who are working? Yes, Chinnu, Rupa Mahesh, you both are correct. Very good. Assertion is correct, but the reason is false. Gamete receives only one allele for a gene. Correct. But they are not undergo mitosis, they are undergo meiosis. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending and make this session successful. To each and every student like Ropa Mahesh, Chandrika, Chinnu, Gnaneshwari, and Praveen, and Unbeatable Insane. For every student, each and every student, thank you so much. And have a nice day. We will meet.